We are currently located in the ZF Slovakia prototype shop in Trnava. Here we implement various designs that our engineers come up with. These designs are primarily printed using the FMD technologies. These prints have relatively high accuracy of symmetric tolerance of 0.2 mm. The ZF company primarily uses PETG, specifically raw ZF blue material in form of a filament. This material was chosen especially for its durability and chemical resistance. There are many types of patterning. Each provides its own different required parameters, for example high impact strength or good layer adhesion. For our purposes, we use patterning type grid or rectilinear. Both methods have a common ground of printing in a specific pattern, where the part is rotated in a 90-degree fashion after each layer. But the main distinctive feature is the accumulation of material at the crossroads. As for the grid, the material accumulates in spots where the paths cross. Because of this, using a 30% infill will in reality lead to a 60% infill density. As for the rectilinear, it is the other way around. It saves filament and doesn't accumulate material at the crossings. This method has double the support for top layers using the same amount of material.